Based on the request from some of my viewers, I decided to make a video on Amazon ad on how to earn more with Amazon KDP. So the first thing first, you're going to click on marketing. Then you see this page. Then you are going to see Amazon ads. Amazon ads. You choose a console. Yeah, you're going to choose Amazon.com. So when you click this, you go to add console. Then you're going to see something like this. But actually, I've already registered. What they are going to ask you in case you have not yet registered is that you're going to put your name, then your bank details, not really your bank details, your card details, and you're going to be making use of virtual cards. You get that is for some of us that are in Nigeria now, we can't really use our normal local bank account. So you're going to create a virtual card and you're going to input it there. But since I already have, I can't really go back. But in case you are experiencing any issue, you can also put in the comment section and I'm going to help you do that. So first thing first, if you want to create an ad, you go to this create campaign. You click create campaign. Then you see something like this. You will see promote product listing, showcase your brand, promote ebooks. But you are going to, if you read each of them, you will see what it can do. But the one that I normally do and the one that is best for Kindle books is this first one, explore sponsored product. So you are going to click this one. So now this is the thing you're going to see. You're going to see ad format, custom text ad or standard ad. This custom text ad, you are going to add some text, but instead you're going to use this standard ad. So you click on standard ad. So this is ad group settings. You're going to name it whatever you want to name your ad group, but we're not really doing any ad group. Then it says select product. So you scroll through your products and look for the one that you want to promote. Let's say I want to promote this cookbook. I'm going to click on add. So once I click on add, it's going to appear here. As you can see, it appeared here. So I just want to promote this one product. Then you scroll. You have a chance of picking either automatic targeting or manual targeting. They said automatic targeting, Amazon will help you target your keyword for you. The manual targeting, you are the one that will choose the keyword that you want to rank on. So I'm going to choose automatic targeting so that Amazon will target the keyword for me. But in case you want to use manual targeting, you can just go to keyword.io. Let me show you. So let's say I want to use dash diets. I'll see possible keyword. So these are some of the keywords I've seen: dash diets, air fried diet recipes. I don't create a free account, just something like that. This is where you can get your keyword from. Then we go back to where we were before. We just use this automatic targeting, that is to ease stress. Then here you have set default bid. Then this default bid means the amount you want to pay, like per click. So you just click on. And now there's one thing you need to know: the higher your bid, the higher your chances that you get, that you beat other advertisers, you get. But the thing is, you should always check the money you have before putting your default bid. Don't go and overdo, you grab. So now you're going to turn your default bid to be $0.2. That is, you pay for $0.2 per click. Here is negative keyword targeting, you leave this one. Negative product targeting, you leave this one. They are optional. This campaign bidding strategy, you have dynamics bid up and down, dynamics bid down only, fixed bid. Dynamic bid up and down means that um Amazon will raise your bid in real time when your ad are more likely to convert to a sale, you get, and it lowers your bid when they are less likely to convert. That is, they are helping you But in case you want to use dynamic bid down only, you can also use it. It's your choice. But I used the first one, dynamic bid up or down, up and down. Then campaign name, you can change this campaign name. You change it to the dash diet, the one I'm promoting. Then your start date, today is November 20, so I put, let it start today. End date, then I'll put where it will end. Let's say I want it to end December 10th, so I just click on this. So my ad will start November 20th and end December 10th. So my daily budget, I want my daily budget. Here Amazon is saying most advertisers start their daily budget with at least $10. But if you don't have up to $10, you just put your daily budget. You can put it to be one if you want to be spending $1 per day. And you made your this your per click to be 0.2. It means you will, 5 clicks will be, abi 5 clicks will be $1, something like that. So if you want your daily budget to be $1, fine. So that, because this is November 20th to 10th, is about 21 days or so. So meaning that you spend $21. But in case you don't have up to that amount, you just set whatever you want to set. It depends on you. If you're a rich man, if you're a rich kid, you can put this to be um $20 per day. Because this Amazon of a thing, it will take your money and it will also give you money. The two win something. And you should ensure that you make books that are relevant. Don't just create rubbish book and expect to get um money or sales from Amazon. It's just a normal thing. Then once you are done with this, you just click launch campaign, finish. And once you launch campaign, you are good to go. Then Amazon will review your ad and then approve your ad. And that is just advertising on Amazon. I hope you grab. If you are watching this video, do well to hit that like button and subscribe fast fast. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.